That's coming up. Close it up and leave it open.
Yeah, go ahead and close it.
What you got running there, man?
So it's 4 Sky High FMX 18s, 2 Sky High 10Ks. It's a whole Sky High build. I'm on Team Sky High.
Yeah,
So.
yeah, that's the way you do it. You gotta run it out.
That's cool. This is DJ Smoking Bones. Don't let that chopper go. Down and walk.
Yeah, it ain't bad at all.
I don't smell them that much, you know.
No, they're a little warm, but
yeah,
it ain't bad at all.
That's a full demo.
So, that's right.
Well, how much power are you running back there?
2 10Ks,
yeah.
So it's probably about 20, 22K or so.
Yeah, yeah.
It ain't bad.
Man, that thing nice, man. Let them know they can find you on social media, man.
Trenton Ray, Tooted Armada on TikTok and Instagram, all that stuff. So
y'all know my tag down below, man. It's good seeing. What's the next show you going to?
Slam.
Okay, we're gonna do it again,
So
bro.
I think there's one in Kentucky. It might be a little bit smaller one.
In
Eddyville.
It is the Dirty Bass show, is it?
No, well, I'm going to that one too. This one's next weekend. It's in Eddyville. It's Basing for a Cause.
Hey, can you inbox it to me on Facebook or somewhere?
Yeah.
TikTok or something?
Yeah.
Okay, good, brother. Good seeing you, man.
Yeah,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome. Thank you.
All right, thank you. You been in there? Oh, okay, so you done been around already.
Well, not all the way.
Okay.
Like on Sundown there. His name's Adrian.
Huh?
Yeah, they're still on.
Yeah, man. That's coming up, man.